called Woman Work It Out. The woman is intentional because it's meant for both woman and man. The book is essentially about professionals and individuals getting to their personal transformation journey and getting professional success as well. So it's a non-fiction memoir. It's set on some of the stories that I have gone through in my 20 years of tech industry experience. And I took a lot of these stories from my personal and professional life, which were key in the sense to relate to the topic that I was covering. Essentially, the intention of this book is to give a self-mentoring working guide for all the professionals, primarily who are probably, say, individual contributor, or they are managers, leaders, or they are executives, or they are policy makers within organization, who are responsible for, say, performance management, delivery management, or they are responsible for making policies and keeping the culture alive in the organization. How are those people and their lives are transpiring when they are in early career, they are in mid career, or they progress in their career and elevated to an executive level? What are the challenges that they go through? And there are certain challenges which I talk about, and I give solution for that, which are very complex in nature. But my premise of my book is to, if you want to follow your dream and you want to achieve success and go to achieving meaningful success, you can actually do that with a set of disciplines to follow and set of practices attached to that discipline. That's why I call this book a working guide, because it's just not about the gyan, but it's also about applying some methodologies, some solutions to actually work through your personal transformation journey and achieve the success that you need in your work life, and beyond the point, attain work life balance as well. But then there has to be a methodical approach to that beyond the point, because we take life as it goes by, right? And we get so consumed by everything around us that we start thinking that's our reality. And we lose a lot of times a vision of what we want to really contribute, what we really want to be, what we really enjoy at work and in personal life. So this is a very self-reflective book, which actually gives you a chance to sit with yourself and find a lot of answers to how you want to reprioritize your life in personal domain and in professional domain, because both of those are reality of today's world, right? You can't ignore any of that. So I thought of writing this book because my intention is to, at least through these practices, if everybody starts focusing on their personal growth, then beyond just having a paycheck and beyond just having a job to go to, then I think even overall in the corporate world, or with working professionals, there is a chance of having healthy work environments to be sustained over a period of time. So there would be more and more people joining the workforce in corporate. So in that light, I thought there has to be one book which culminates a lot of things that I went through. There has to be a pattern which everybody goes through, because I mentored a lot of people during my career, and I still do as part of my coaching practices now. So I thought that there are certain aspects which do not really change for anybody to be successful and accelerate that success to become even attain meaningful success. So that's what I intend to cover in my book. And it's for individuals as well who wants to really be self-reflective and say find meaning in their life. So there are psychological models which are proven, and I have created a work it out model in this book, where you can actually sit with yourself and self-reflect, to go through those questions and um, rediscover yourself, because there has to be a time where you want to give yourself uh, a pace in life. So that's the intention, and I hope it reaches to professionals primarily, because a lot of stories they will also relate to. But I've had people who actually are retired and in their executive career life, and they're looking for something beyond hyperscale success. Also pick this book and give me good reviews about how some of the chapters really resonated with them. And I'm looking forward to having this kind of book reach to more professionals, because I know, being there for 20 years in that corporate life, it takes a lot out of a person, because there are a lot of demands, a lot of expectations, and you kind of try to get lost in all of that beyond a point. So this book can even help you achieve your dreams, but also it can help you pace out your life, realign your priorities, make you think and question what you're doing is actually right for you or not. So this is one mentoring guide. I say that you don't have a mentor in your life. You basically are not able to find the right mentor. Then based on your context, how can you still get guidance that is useful for you? So this book actually talks a lot about things which are also unspoken in the world. A lot of self-help books in such domain, you will see that they talk about a specific problems which everybody in the world is talking about. But what I've tried to do in this book is to go beyond that level and try to challenge the status quo, and try to talk about those things which go under the radar. Everybody knows about it, but nobody talks and wants to address it. But they are the key reasons, and for any work culture or any person to not achieve the success and the kind of happiness they deserve to have in a corporate life. So that was my intention. I'm sure it's a hard hitting point that I'll I'm trying to share, and I'm going to get a lot of feedback on that. But I think people would look at some positive side of it. I'm hopeful that even if somebody takes the book and applies 10% of it, because the practices are so easy to incorporate in your daily life, that one can actually see the difference if they even take up 10% of it and start working on it. So I'm hopeful that this book picks up and reaches the masses, and it really helps them to find their meaningful success.